This is before. Rubbish everywhere. Let's go. This is time to get this room tidy. I'm also looking forward to this because I haven't opened it yet. So that should be nice. Should have overheated. But I need to put all them Walking Dead things in there. Right, update. We've put all the stuff from the shelves into the cabinets, for example. Meaningful stuff. Fortnite and toys, Walking Dead, army stuff. He's sorting about boxing bag and he's sorting out. Get rid of this. And then the camera and GoPro's got to go somewhere, and this picture of me besides one else. So the plan I've had is this desk, we're going to like move it to the middle of the room. So about here. So when you walk in, you go behind it. You go to the... Sorry? What did you say? Anyway, so when you walk in, you go behind it, and all this will be flipped. Hopefully. Somebody's hard at work. Back to the minimum. Buzzing. Can't really see that though. Slide it a bit this way, a bit more. There we go. See that there? How do I turn this one on? I can't remember how to do it. Right, so we've got this stand. It is Blade Hawks, which was from Amazon. I think it was about 15 quid. Made phones, obviously 100 odd quid. Bad Boys, Omen, controller, just use a PlayStation controller, and a Monkey Bomb as the controller holder. Invested in that ages ago but never used it, so that's the PlayStation thing. That's a wife, just doing whatever she's doing. This screen. This, what's this mouse mode? How much did that cost for Christmas? You bought it?
2 years ago.
Fair enough. This was 300 quid. Not a waste of money, it's the best thing I've got. That, follow and subscribe. Notifications turned on. And then, I've got all these boxes, right, because I'm weird like that, do you know, like so. If you ever need to send it back, I always keep the boxes. That's the Sniper, which is up there. That's the box of that, all over bits. Then we've got like a picture of Harvey when he was a baby with the belt and the gloves. Me body shot in Craig. Then when like the first couple of fights I've had, so the white collar ones, and then the first like pro fight I had. Some medals behind there, like winners medals and running medals and stuff, and the Gypsy King scarf. My chair, do need to invest in a new one. Love this, I love this chair. However, when I was 22 stone, all the wheels broke, so I had to have a note, so I got no wheels on my chair. Got a bin, usual stuff. I got this from the market. It is flipping heavy though. Bloody hell. It's like an ornament I'm supposed to go outside, but I've never wanted to put it outside because I liked it too much. So that can go down there. My guitar in the corner, because one day I will be a music sensation. Probably never, but we'll try. McGregor now is the background, so when I'm streaming, when I start streaming again, that's going to be the background. If you remember from my old gaming setup thing, all these are covered in like Fortnite. I need to fill these holes in as well. Like pop figures and stuff, so I put them all into there. So they're only in there because I need them for the fight on the 1st. Walking Dead at the top, toys / Fortnite there. Important things like pregnancy test, the one we lost, and all that crap, the books. Pictures, Arsenal. These in this box is all my like tickets I've ever been to games and things like that, but the one underneath is Fury tickets. Soft stuff, obviously a rifle, bag of boxing stuff. Army stuff, Ben, love you bro. Hats. I need to put that up somewhere as well. I can go there for now. If it stays. Yeah, looking dapper. Them hats need to move, and this I don't want it anymore, so I'll put it in a giveaway if anyone wants it. Better idea for this. So I can see the TV while the mic is putting this up onto that. Yeah, it's about what is it? It's about the same height. Then obviously the belt, like I said, this teddy, which means a lot because it's like the baby we lost, Teddy. But anyway, what else is there? Oh, doorstop, Bill the door stopper, just in case you need the door open. Then that's a boxing cloak, boxing jumper, boxing t-shirt, and boxing vest. Happy with how it's turned out? Loving it. Just need a new chair and this to fill the pictures from boxing. Don't know why these curtains are stuck up here. She must have done it while she was cleaning up. Oh, I'll block the view out. Probably shouldn't put that on there, she'll kill me. Just cleaned it. Curtains. It's time to play. Last thing, can anyone think of other things I could buy to make the setup look better? If you know of any, please let me know. Oh, come on. Also, make sure you drop the follow again. Kejikog on YouTube, the video you're watching now. So, like, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.